Carter County Mayor Leon Humphrey told News Channel 11 about allegations of animal trafficking at the Elizabethton Carter County Animal Shelter. The case that his claims are centered upon has now been resolved.
The News Channel 11's Curtis McLeod learned that the mayor himself testified in court.
Yeah, the mayor did testify twice in this case, once when it went through the lower courts and again last Thursday when the case was heard before the judge on appeal. Now, while the court ruled that the defendant in this case could keep the animals, the mayor says he stands by his initial claims that reported animal trafficking took place at the Carter County Animal Shelter at one point in time. On Thursday, a judge in a Virginia courtroom made a ruling allowing these two Shih Tzus, Nisa and Nippet, to stay in their current home in Wise County, Virginia.
I think about them, I look at their pictures, and I miss them every day. I'm sorry.
Kimberly Buckles, the original owner, says the dogs were taken from her father's front yard by the Elizabethton Carter County Animal Shelter after reports of mistreatment. Since then, the dogs have been living in Southwest Virginia with a new owner who purchased them from rescue. Carter County Mayor Leon Humphrey, who testified in the case Thursday, stands by his initial claims that these two dogs are victims of animal trafficking that reportedly took place at the animal shelter almost 2 years ago.
Curtis, my position is still the same. It's not changed. My testimony, as far as I know, has not been discounted.
The mayor launched his own investigation, showing us documents that he says proves Buckles' dogs were at one point in the possession of the animal shelter and transferred to vet offices and ultimately a rescue shelter in Virginia. According to the judge's ruling, the court's decisions were not made on claims of abuse or neglect of the dog. The judge also says there's no evidence that the plaintiff, Kimberly Buckles, mistreated the dogs, contradicting claims initially reported to the animal shelter about the dogs in 2016. Monday, the mayor also addressed concerns about his involvement in the case.
I can honestly say that at no point in time has this put the county at risk, ever. This is a situation where a constituent came to me with a need.
And county attorney, we asked them both about the possibility of a lawsuit being brought against the county. They both did not believe it would be likely.